Hello, if you are using AirPods free and you cannot actually charge your charging case, and what does it mean that you basically cannot recharge your AirPods, then first of all, I will highly recommend you to take a look for this charging case. Take a look for the lightning port, and as you can see in my case, I can find here a lot of, I don't know, there's some kind of the pieces of the dust or something like this. And you should actually prepare the thin item, like for example the SIM tool, but it's actually not recommended to apply any metal parts inside the port. So it will be better if you actually prepare something made out of the plastic or wood. And if you actually have this kind of the item, you will have to actually input it right here inside the lightning port and try to gently take it off. But be careful, just do this really gently. You can try to do this with the household items by yourself, and basically try to move all of these pieces of dust into the left side or the right side, and keep actually swiping like this, so you will finally be able to actually remove anything that is inside your port. And as you can see, that's how it actually looks in my case, but it's not everything. I have to keep digging right here, and I can find something right here. There we go. And also something right here inside. Another piece of dust. Wait a minute, I'm just losing focus on it. Take a look. There we go. Okay, and I believe that right now it will be finished. Yeah, right now it's finished. So as you can see, that's how we can do this. And now we can try to apply the cable one more time and tell me if it works with your AirPods free. That will be all. Thanks for watching.